Hello, this is David Bowles doing a screen test for Streamlabs. And we're going to take a look at what's going on with our audio. We have a Wave XLR microphone going into Wave Link software and then pulling in the Wave Link stream into Streamlabs desktop. And playing behind me is very soft, I think, music that is now fading away via Microsoft Edge. You can hear the TV in the background. You can hear the boiling water on the stove. And now I'm going to play some video and audio.
Here it is. He usually
reacts,
Chrome. He usually shows it. And I think now it's dawning on him. There it is, that this does not hold.
All right, that was the audio. YouTube. And now I'm going to be quiet and we'll see if, when I stop speaking, if you can still hear the music playing beneath me or if the music will drop out. And looking at Streamlabs, the music did drop out. I will stop speaking again and we will see if the music stops. Now I'll turn off the music and we'll go back to a YouTube video and we'll see what happens with that if I stop speaking when the YouTube video is playing, if we can still hear the commentary.
And his choice of giving away his A pawn.
It looks like YouTube is misbehaving.
See it counted on does not work. And he is forced to play King G8, nothing to think about here.
Here it is. He usually reacts. He usually shows it. And I think now it's dawning on him. There it is, that this does not hold up. And his choice of giving away his A pawn and playing for this E5 maneuver was not the way to play.
All right, now that looked like it didn't go out. So I'm going to go into Slipstream right now and use the music there instead of playing it in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to play it here in a Chrome browser, and we'll see what happens there with that. Ah, a little loud. And it looks to me like the music is popping in and out when I stop speaking. It went away. Now it came back. Very weird. This concludes our test for Streamlabs Desktop. We hope you'll tune in again tomorrow, because we gotta fix this today.